Alright, thank you so much sa ating ayuda. Regalo, gift. Oh, sarap. Ayan o. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Meron tayong harang. Yan. Kanto boys. Super crunch. Coffee. Yan. Tsaka ito. This portion is brought to you by Lola M. Jeans. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Babush.